All right, guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. So in this one, we're going to be retouching this image live here in Make 2UXU. And the beautiful part is that we'll have a lot of new updates right here. So this software was updated lately, and trust me, the update has been really, really mind-blowing, of which we're going to be exploring it in this particular video. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get started. So first of all, let's fix our background, because of course we can't be working with our image like this. So I'm going to be cropping, right? I'll crop the image like this, but I do not want to lose all the space because it's going to make it look squished. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to the background slider, which is where there is a new update, right? So this remove imperfections was added lately, and it's really, really amazing. So all you need to do to fix all this area is just to turn it on, and immediately it fixes that place. Look at the way it stretches it in, still adding some noise to it to make it look realistic. And of course, we need to smoothen it out, so we'll go to our clean backdrop or clean background, and it takes care of the background. So now we'll have a neat background to work with. Okay, so without wasting much of the time, let's quickly go over to our tone, because I don't like the the way the color of the background is not looking uniform. So I'm going to click on the background. Of course, it's already selected. Let's see. Yes, beautiful. So I'm going to desaturate the background as much as I can, because I want to have a really good gray over there. Good. So I'm going to brighten it up a little, just slightly, or rather let's darken it down so that our object is the main focus. Good. So we have a very clean backdrop right now. So let me show you the before and the after. The before, the after. So with this done, I'm going to move straight to skin retouching. So I need to restore some focus into her face. Her face is looking slightly out of focus, so increase our face disfocus repair, so that we'll get some details back to it. Then we'll move over to acne, the face acne, the body acne, body blemishes, forehead wrinkle, very important, dark circle, very important, wrinkles around eye, cheek lines, I need it reduced, smile lines, I need it reduced. And that will be it for blemish removal areas. So we'll move straight to skin retouching. So once in our skin retouching, I'm going to apply my frequency separation. Yeah. I'm going to leave my hair pass the way it is. It's really working. Then I'm going to increase my frequency separation for body. Then I need to increase my skin refinement effect a little bit. Apply a little bit of micro dodging and burning. And make sure my neutral gray contour is on, so that I will get back the dimensions back. So with this, I'm going to move straight to skin tone. She's of course a very fair lady. We need to make the whole thing look warm. Let's check the natural and see what we'll get. So I think I prefer the natural. Let's keep it here, warm it up a little bit, then increase the skin tone balance for the body. Beautiful. So the next thing I want to do is to fix the clothes. So I'm going to move straight to my clothes area and increase the remove wrinkle, but I will not increase it to 100% because I want to still retain some of these lines. Good. Then still in our body, I'll go all the way down to hair. I will increase stray hair, so that removes all the stray hair. Now, if you feel like you want to change the color of your hair, you have other hair colors you can try out right here in case you want to change the color of your hair. So we can click here. Let's see exactly how it works. So you see the way it changes the color. I actually like that. Let's try this. Amazing. And it's trying to also maintain the kind of pattern the hair has, which is really impressive. Okay, so this is originally her hair color. This one looks very close with the original same. or rather this. Yeah, this looks a bit more, can give us a little bit more saturation, so let's stick with that. Then towards my body, I'll go to my model. Just try and reshape her body a little bit. Good. So if you feel you still want some hips, you can come down to the waist area. Let's see how that works. Let's see the sling. So I think I like her body like this. So you can just go around and, see the areas you can affect. Although having the belly. Beautiful. This is good. All right. Nice ones. Let me show you the overall before and after. The before, the after, the before, the after. So we can as well go and improve the makeup of the image. Come to the makeup area, enhance eyebrow to make it thicker, enhance eye makeup, increase our highlights, for that glossy look, enhance lip makeup, and enhance blush in case she does have blushes. So if you want to fix the eye contact or even change the shape of the eyebrow, you can change the shape of the eyebrow from here. I think this is a bit more intense. Let's leave it there. All right, so we are done. Let me show you the overall before and after. So this is the image when we got started. This is the after. So I feel I need a little exposure in the overall image. We'll go to global, go to tone, increase the exposure a little bit, increase the vibrance a little bit as well, and we are good. So this is the overall before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. Thank you so much for this, for watching this particular one. Tell me what you think about the new updates that we just explored. So the new update was that they added a new hair and that we saw an added slider that allows us to stretch our backgrounds. Thank you so much for watching. Do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you subscribe, click on the notification bell to get notified every single time we'll drop a new video. If you want to gain access to this software, go to the description of the video. You will see the link over there. Click on it and download it so that you can try it out for yourself and inculcate it into your own workflow as a photographer. So we have something big coming up very, very, very soon. All right, so we are teaching everything you need to know about AI, photo retouching, AI incorporation into your photography journey. So if you are interested, go straight now to the comment section, comments that you are interested, and we'll send you the details on how you can prepare of such an amazing opportunity coming up. One more time, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.